Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error Windows can't be installed on this disk during Windows installation. This problem appears when you are installing Windows 10 or Windows 11, and no matter which partition you select, Setup keeps showing the same installation error. Because of this, Windows will not continue until the disk problem is fixed, so follow this process carefully. First, go back from the partition selection screen. Once you return to the previous setup screen, press Shift plus F10 together on your keyboard. This opens command prompt. Now we need to enter a few commands. The first command is diskpart. Press enter. After that, type list disk. Then press enter again. Now Windows will show all disks connected to your computer. Here you must identify which disk is your main installation drive. Usually disk 0 is your internal drive, and another disk may be your USB installer. Choose carefully because selecting the wrong disk can erase important data. Now type select disk 0. If your installation drive is disk 0, use 0. Then press enter. Windows will confirm that the disk is selected. Now type clean, then press enter. Before doing this, remember one important thing. The clean command completely removes all partitions and deletes all data from that selected disk. So if there is important data on that drive, make sure backup is already done before continuing. After the clean command finishes successfully, close command prompt, return to Windows Setup, accept the license again, and continue. After a short process, the disk list will appear again.
Now you should see the drive as unallocated space without the previous partition error.
Select that drive, then click Next. This time the error will not appear and Windows installation will continue normally. After that, Setup will move to the ready to install stage and installation starts without problems. So this is one of the simplest ways to fix this partition installation errors during Windows Setup. Just make sure you always confirm the correct disk before running the clean command. Thanks for watching.